Welcome to Eco-Worthy Solar Experts. Today, we will give you details on how to install this 200 watts complete solar system, which is designed for beginners in solar energy and is very easy to install and use. You will receive the solar panel kit, inverter, and battery in 3 separate packages. For detailed logistics information, please contact our customer service team. The surface of the solar panels is covered with a very thin layer of tempered glass, and in case of breakage, Eco-Worthy is always 100% responsible for damage during transport. Check the case after receiving the battery. Remember that at any time, do not connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery together, which is very dangerous. Accessories in the bag are solar charging controller, a pair of 5-meter solar extension cords, black and red, battery and controller connection cable, solar Y connector. Finally, there are 2 packs of solar panel mounts. The final device is the inverter, which can convert the direct current in the battery into alternating current, so that some low-power household appliances, such as small air conditioners, refrigerators, lights, or computers, and mobile phones, can be charged. This is basically all the equipment and accessories you will get. Please note that if you do not receive any products, contact the customer service team directly for help. First, let's connect the battery cable to the inverter's DC input port. Then, we fixed the battery fixing terminal on the solar charge controller, and then we can start to connect the battery. This is the most critical step. What we need to do is to connect the 2 lines in parallel to the positive and negative terminals of the battery, and we must pay attention to distinguish the positive and negative terminals when connecting. Any wrong connection may cause damage to the equipment. If the battery you receive still holds a charge, then your controller and inverter will light up. First of all, we arrange the solar extension wire and connect a section of the bare wire directly to the solar controller. After crimping firmly, connect the other end of the extension cord to the cable on the back of the solar panel, PLG, and play. So far, your solar energy storage inverter system has been set up. Congratulations! As a starter kit, this system also has the potential to upgrade. This is where you can add more solar panels or batteries and upgrade more powerful inverters. Everything was so easy. Let you enjoy the fun of technology and clean energy.